bro. I'll pick that up right now.
To remove the axles because they're gonna be spinning.
Yeah, it's 4x100. On this car, I already checked the specs, and I checked the Miata. So, thanks for the help.
All right, report back to me when you got that wheel, man. Take care.
All right, guys. So I don't have the car anymore, so you can tell. So I give it back to Alex, and I'm trying to fix my Miata. Trying to get insurance on it, the alignment, and a wheel. I'm here about to get this wheel for now. It looks like a shitty ass wheel, but it does the job.
Bonito y es estándar.
Nah, más quiero la llanta.
Oh, es el carrito.
Más quiero la llanta, sí. Okay. It's on. It's off. It's on. It's off. Oh. I'm guessing it's dead. I'm trying to move the car a little bit more. I'm trying to move the car from that location and putting it over here so I can start working on taking off the tire, because I don't have any room.
Omar LS2. What's up, bro?
Hey, can you, you're the expert on this thing. Can you help me out? You know how to work this. It's not, it keeps on turning off on me.
Again?
Yeah. See? It's off. And it goes off.
All you gotta do is just take this out. Put the button in. Turn it on.
You I was literally on this for so long. There you go.
There it goes.
We're gonna warm it up for a little bit. Warm it up and start taking off all the stickers on the car. Doing as much as I could do. Changing the tire, doing the alignment. Trying to get this car right so I can start driving it, because I don't have the other car. Shout out to Alex though. He helped me out a lot when it was my time of need.
It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. So it's gonna rain.
Damn.
He overachieved. What you think?
Finally have a in the shop.
Just awesome. It's nice. We have it all clean.
You need some AC in this stuff.
Nah, I'm gonna put a fan, I think.
And now that you have a restroom, you can actually go to sleep here. You don't have to worry about getting up in the morning, going all the way to Walmart.
If I had a shower, that'd be cool.
So we're gonna air up this tire right here. We're gonna air up this tire right here. So the alignment is really bad on this car. See this wheel right here? You see that? It's turning that way. This wheel right here, straight. I'm also gonna try to put insurance on it today. But I have to buy a battery for the car because that battery's pissing me off. Every time we try to turn on this car, it's always dead. So we're gonna have to fix that. Oh, alignment today. I'm gonna take off all the stickers real quick. These stickers, that sticker. I already took off the sticker in the middle. We're gonna get this car right. I'm actually pretty excited. Summer's already here and I got a convertible. They're gonna move this car. We're gonna put the Miata back inside. It's gonna rain really hard in a bit. I'm gonna try to get everything done today because
New to the truck, but not new because the customer's cheap. And
oh damn, you got this one from a different car?
Yeah, that's the one.
That's the old one? Sure. Damn, it looks like a up popcorn bag.
Some people don't know how to drive. Watch out for boulders, kids.
Oh damn, it's raining hard already.
Chad, can you move my car over here?
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. You're gonna put that car in here. You're gonna move the Miata over here. You're just gonna have to move this big old truck. I know how to use it now.
Smoky up here.
I did smoke the tires, or did I smoke the tailpipe? Whew. It is burning oil. Burning a lot of oil right now. Alright, let's see if this thing clears. Hold this, Ethan.
Well, look, I actually got a car to the insurance. 800. Right there.
On?
180.
Yeah, it clears.
Alright guys, well, there you go. Well, we're gonna have to drop it, see if it clears.
No,
hopefully.
it should clear when you drop it. But it's gonna be all the way up.
Well, I don't know if you guys
Woo! Nah, it's not gonna clear it, bro. It's hitting this real quick.
Wait, turn it.
It's not. It's gonna fucking stay like
Turn it. Yeah, turn. No, it didn't. It didn't hit it. Go back.
Yeah, it did. I feel it. There you go.
Oh, okay. Oh, I know what you can do.
Swap what?
These look.
Oh yeah. Damn, Ethan, you saved the day, bro. Yeah, that's what I could do, huh?
Yeah. So this front's fine. So take one of those back and pin off the front, and then that in the back.
Damn, bro, you actually saved the day. Thank you very much, sir, for your service.
I do this for a living.
Oh yeah, he's gonna start a YouTube channel, guys. So if you guys are into the cars all the way, he's about it. He got a bike too. What is it?
I should have recorded the bike. I was riding last night.
I'm just saying you should just be recording bikes for now until you got the car going, you know?
I was going fast.
Alright guys, I found out why the tire is hitting back there is because the lower control arm is bended. Alright,
He said whenever, today, tomorrow, whenever.
I'll pick that up right now.
Right now, tell him.
Tell him right now. So my boy Ethan right now found a whole Miata car, a roller. A roller, bro. Comes with the hood. He'll give me everything.
You don't have this, right?
No, I don't have it on that side.
Oh yeah, you don't have that down, right? Yeah, it comes with.
Because if it comes with everything.
The whole car. It just has no motor and transmission. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Comes with that thing too. Everything.
You got everything.
Comes with everything. And then that's what I'll pick that up right now. I'm gonna call John right now actually.
I think it has leather seats too.
See.
Can't really tell.
Call this man my tow truck driver.
I don't know how old school that is.
Red cover. I don't think these come leather.
John.
What's up, bro?
Hey bro, you down to help me out pick up a whole car, a Miata car?
Está bien, está.
It's over there. Where's it at again?
West Park and Barker
Southwest.
Cypress.
We can pick it up right down the street.
Alright man, you're my tow truck driver, bro. My go-to all the time. Damn, I didn't know I was gonna buy a car today.
Oh, he put that pending too for me. He said.
Shout out to Ethan right here. Follow his Instagram. David because he's letting me use the shop. Chance, well, because of his presence.
Send you that guy's address.
What I really needed from this car was the passenger fender, the hood, the suspension, but
The thing is that I has the axle still on it, so that they're gonna be bouncing. We don't have to remove them.
we don't have tools, huh?
In there, so they're gonna be flapping around. We need to remove them. We have to remove the axles because they're gonna be spinning. It doesn't have a, I guess it's like a little differential in the back or something.
We're literally like an hour away. So an hour back is like 2 hours. And plus I can make this a stick shift, guys. It's stick shift. Bro, this is awesome.
Hey, you need a couple parts too. Just a couple things. No, we still working on it.
I was the one who went to go get it with him and had to push it up his driveway and then into his garage with the Jeep.
Yeah.
We used the winch to pull it out and we used the winch to push it in, and we put a tire in between and dragged it in, hammered the wheels in while driving.
Yeah, so this time I brought a tow truck.
Oh, you see the wood steering wheel?
Yeah, like the thing that I really liked about the car is that I can convert my other car if I wanted to like a
have
stick
another
shift. Yeah, and you know.
Yeah, dude, it's just a shell.
I know.
We were trying to put that 351 in here, but his wife wants it out of there.
Alright guys, so the plan is to put the Miata over here, Miata number 2, Miata over here where the Miata used to be, because that one's gonna be on the road already. For the meantime, we're just gonna leave it there while we get the Miata running. More, back, all the way back. The tricky part is that the wheels they turn separately, like they're loose. So what we're gonna do on this car is that we're gonna take off the whole front basically, because it does need a bumper on the Miata. I think it's fixable, but this one's cracked. This one over here is not. This one is not, it's nice.
the bumper que no lo vaya a arrancar.
Slow. Hold on. That's it for this vlog because they're about to close right now, so we're just gonna put the Miata over there. Like and subscribe, turn the bell notification on, become part of the legacy, and we'll see you on the next box. I'm tired. Let's go.
They've got to go under it.
I don't even know this dog. Lift it. Push it in. Go in. Go in. Go in. Go follow his Instagram, John. Go follow David for helping me out with the shop and leaving my junk here. John's the real one. The guy that sold me this car was a real one. But that's it, guys. I got a badass deal out of it. It has a radio. All right, guys, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, turn the bell notification on, become part of the legacy. We'll see you on the next. And guys, just to let you guys know, projects don't take a month to build. Projects don't take 1 month to build. It takes longer. But if you have the equity to back it up, anything's possible. Working on putting on the bumper, hood, the lights.
That's just how much it comes up with.
Oh, okay. Let me turn it on real quick, but let's see if the other one has the motor.
Get some.
I'm a welder, bro. So if it pisses me off, I'm gonna grind that piece of shit off.